well, of feeling on the Conservative backbenchers in particular that the UK should be doing more. That could influence things, and also the international pressure. Quite an interesting intervention from Germany this morning. Stefan Mayer, the Home Affairs spokesperson of Angela Merkel's party over there, for example, saying that Britain is not sharing the migrant burden and that could damage the relationship between Germany and Britain that, of course, is so crucial when David Cameron is trying to renegotiate a package of reforms for the EU.
Sophie, thanks very much indeed.
Sky News has learned that the government is investigating the impact the rapid developments in artificial intelligence could have on jobs in the UK. A study by Deloitte has suggested that up to a third of UK jobs are at risk. Sky's James Matthews is at the Edinburgh Centre of Robotics. James.
Yeah, thank you very much. Here at Edinburgh University, where I'm joined by Jazz, which is a robot that breaks barriers. I'm joined by Sethu Vijayakumar. Sethu, this is new. It has a gripper on the right hand, a suction device on the left. Why is this different, this robot?
So this robot is actually an assembly robot which works to create, manufacture of parts, creates products for you. But what's different about it is designed to work with humans in very close proximity. So for example, while the robot is doing something, I can go and grab its arm, move it around, and change what it's doing. And after a while, when I leave it, it readapts and goes back to what it does.
So I suppose the beauty is that robots traditionally, if you touch them, they might rip your arm off. Health and safety guidelines would dictate they are kept away from the humans. This, you can plonk in the middle of a factory.
Absolutely. And I think from a technical perspective, what's different is they have something called series elastic actuators. In layman terms, they've got little springs in between the joints. So while it's moving, if someone or somebody comes in its way, it can give way. And this is very useful from a safety perspective. And for example, if you want humans closely collaborating with the robots to do something.
What practical applications could this robot Jazz be put to?
So I think it's up to the imagination of the user. You can go all the way from creating sandwiches, so helping somebody create a sandwich with the robot doing some bits of it, to all the way to something quite critical like healthcare and surgery. So you can imagine a surgeon doing an operation while the robot is assisting the person by, for example, lifting some key tools and handing it over in a precise sequence, which is less error-prone compared to humans.
And it's cheap as well, relatively.
So compared to other robots, it's relatively cheap. So it is designed to be used by small companies, SMEs, and that is where the barrier to entry has been brought down from compared to some of the more expensive robotics platforms.
Okay, Sethu, thank you very much indeed. Very good luck with it. And there you go, Samantha, a glimpse into the future. And to answer the question you are doubtless asking yourself, it's called Jazz, after one of the characters in the Transformers.
But of course it is. James, thank you.
We are talking about the world of work and how robots